Alright people, we're getting very close to the iPhone 17e launch, and things are moving faster than expected. We now have reports suggesting the release could happen as soon as this month, and new leaks are giving us a clearer picture of what Apple is planning, and what they might still be holding back. Let's start with the release date, because that's the big one. Early reports from German site Macwelt pointed to a February 19th launch, which sounded a little optimistic. But then Bloomberg's Mark Gurman stepped in and said the iPhone 17e is launching imminently. That usually means weeks, not months. Add to that reports that mass production started back in early January, and it's clear, this phone is ready to go. Now let's talk design, because this is where things get controversial. Japanese blog Mako Takara claims the iPhone 17e will still have a notch, not the dynamic island. Personally, I'm not convinced. With the iPhone 18 expected to move to a smaller pill-shaped cutout, Apple could easily bring the regular dynamic island down to the 17e while still keeping it visually behind newer models. Thicker bezels would still do the job. So yeah, this one's still up in the air. What is confirmed is the display, 60 Hz. And yes, some people are going to lose their minds over that. But realistically, this is expected. Apple wants to upsell you to the iPhone 17, and for most buyers, 60 Hz isn't a deal-breaker. The upside? Higher brightness, up to 2000 nits outdoors, which honestly matters more for daily use. Performance is where the 17e shines. Leaks point to the A19 chip, likely a slightly binned version, but still flagship-level power. That means excellent performance, better efficiency, and longer software support. Expect 8 GB of RAM, which sets this phone up nicely for Apple Intelligence and future AI features. Battery life should also improve. The battery size is expected to stay around 4000 mAh, but the A19's efficiency could squeeze out an extra hour or more, already impressive for a 6.1-inch iPhone. On the connectivity side, the iPhone 17e is rumored to get Apple's C1X modem, which isn't about speed, it's about better battery life on 5G. And surprisingly, Mako Takara also claims the new N1 wireless chip is coming too. That means Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, Thread support, and improved AirDrop and hotspot performance. And yes, MagSafe is coming back. After the bizarre decision to remove it from the 16e, Apple appears to be fixing that mistake. Charging speeds are still unclear, but MagSafe accessories alone make this a big win. Price? Still expected at $599. Apple is clearly targeting emerging markets, enterprises, and buyers who want a modern iPhone without pro pricing. So to sum it all up, the iPhone 17e looks like Apple fixing the biggest complaints of the 16e, better design, MagSafe, flagship performance, and improved connectivity, while keeping the price aggressive. The real question is whether the 16e drops to $499, because that could end up being the real value king. Either way, the iPhone 17e launch is right around the corner.